All right, some football news now. Hosts Mount Pleasant Academy missed out on a chance to close the gap on league leaders Waterhouse as they went down to Cavalier in the Red Stripe Premier League on Sunday at the Drax Hall Sports Complex. Now, as Renata Brown tells us, defending champions Portmore United, Humber Lion and Dunbeholden also got wins on the day.
A victory over Cavalier would have taken home team Mount Pleasant Football Academy to within a point of table toppers Waterhouse. However, Shaniel Thomas has other ideas, netting the game's only goal in the 68th minute for Cavalier, who moved up to 6th on 25 points, while Mount Pleasant remained in second on 34 points.
Well, actually, they played right into my hands because we knew that if we defended well, and then they would have been anxious to get the victory. So once in the second half they started to push 5-6 players up, we decided to play them on the counter, and as you can see, we got a goal and a couple more chances.
I think we played flat, very, very flat today. Like we give Cavalier this too much respect tonight. As you said before, we've never beaten them.
Defending champions Portmore United condemned Veer United to their 9th defeat of the season following their 3-1 win at the Spanish Town Prison Oval. Seagull Knight opened the scoring in the 35th minute before a Corey Burke double put the icing on the cake. Burke scored on either side of the half in the 44th and 73rd minutes, taking his tally to 11 for the season. Javier Brown got Veer United's consolation in the 62nd minute. Portmore United remains in 5th on 30 points, while Veer are rooted at the foot of the table on 14.
I would love us to score a little bit more goals because we are in the negative at the moment. But a win is always good, and it's something that we can build on. It's a decent performance from the team, and as I said, they've been working hard on the training ground, and it's showing.
A Levon Williams' 45th minute strike at the Effortville Community Centre gave Humber Lion a similar scoreline win against Harbourview to move them 3rd on 30 points.
It was a particularly good game. I didn't think we played very well. I think it's probably one of our worst performances, but guess what? I'm happy with the 3 points, because I prefer to play badly and get 3 points and to play well and drop one.
I think we were unfortunate not to get a point or anything from this game, because I think, as you can see, you watch the game, I think we dominated the game, we just didn't score chances.
Meanwhile, Arnett Gardens fell to 4th after a 3-0 drubbing at home from Dunbeholden at the Tony Spalding Sports Complex. First half goals from Demaria Phillips, Dean Andre Thomas and Andre McFarlane moved the Dunbeholden up to 7th on 25 points.